How can I get insurance to cover cancer recurrence monitoring? If you are living with cancer or are in long-term remission, knowing how to get your insurance to cover recurrence monitoring can feel confusing. It's important to understand that insurance coverage depends on several factors, including the tests recommended by your doctor, your personal risk, and the guidelines that insurance companies follow. Most insurance plans cover surveillance procedures that are considered medically necessary and supported by current clinical guidelines. Cancer recurrence monitoring usually involves regular checkups, physical exams, blood tests, and imaging scans like CT scans or MRIs. Insurance is more likely to cover these if your oncologist recommends them based on your specific cancer type, stage, and treatment history. For example, if you had testicular cancer and your doctor suggests tumor marker tests like alpha-fetoprotein or human chorionic gonadotropin, insurance will often cover these because they are standard for follow-up. Similarly, for cervical cancer survivors, Pap smears or HPV testing are routine parts of surveillance and are generally covered when ordered by your healthcare provider. To improve your chances of insurance coverage, it helps to follow established guidelines from reputable organizations such as the National Comprehensive Cancer Network or the American Society of Clinical Oncology. These guidelines specify how often surveillance should happen based on your risk level. Having your healthcare team provide detailed documentation explaining why each test is necessary can also support your case. This documentation should include your risk factors, previous treatments, and the rationale for the surveillance schedule. It's also wise to use evidence-based tests that are widely accepted in medical practice. Insurance companies are less likely to approve coverage for tests that are considered experimental or not supported by strong evidence. Routine physical exams, standard blood work, and approved imaging tests are typically covered when part of a structured follow-up plan. If your insurance denies coverage, don't hesitate to appeal. You can submit additional documentation from your doctor emphasizing the importance of ongoing monitoring for your specific situation. Understanding your insurance plan's policies is crucial because coverage can vary widely between plans. Some plans might limit coverage for advanced imaging or supportive services like fertility preservation, which can be relevant for reproductive cancer survivors. Maintaining continuous insurance coverage after treatment is also key. Gaps in coverage can make it harder to get the necessary tests without out-of-pocket costs. Some cancer centers offer survivorship programs that help coordinate follow-up care and assist with navigating insurance issues. These programs can be a valuable resource for ensuring your surveillance plan is covered and that you stay on top of your health. In the case of testicular, cervical, or other reproductive cancers, surveillance often includes physical exams, tumor marker blood tests, Pap smears, HPV testing, and imaging when indicated. When these are part of a structured follow-up plan recommended by your healthcare team, insurance coverage is more likely. Always communicate openly with your doctor about your insurance concerns so they can help tailor your monitoring plan and provide the necessary documentation. Remember, verifying what your insurance covers before scheduling tests can save you from unexpected costs. It's also helpful to stay informed about your plan's policies and to work proactively with your healthcare provider and insurance company. This way, you can ensure that your surveillance for recurrence is continuous and effective, giving you peace of mind and early detection if the cancer returns. Ultimately, following evidence-based guidelines, maintaining good communication, and understanding your insurance options are the best ways to secure coverage for your ongoing health needs.